Hello there, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about Sparklines. Whenever you are using Microsoft Excel, there are several features and you may not be using all of those. However, there are certain features you should use which will make your workflow much more quicker. Now, in this particular video, I am going to show you how can you use Sparklines, which is a very quick way to give a visualization of the data trend. So instead of wasting much time, let me show you how can you use this particular feature. If you follow my mouse here, I have a data set. What I need to do to add a sparkline here, I just need to select this entire data and then I need to click on insert, and there I'll get one option, that is Sparklines. You can see Sparklines is written here and there are three options: line, column and win or loss. Now if I click on line, it will prompt with an option. Now what it's saying that data range is already selected and it's already pulled out that reference here. Now it's asking where will it plot that sparkline. So if I click on this up arrow and then I just select this area and then I click OK, it will add the sparkline. You can see it's a very quick and tiny little visualization of the data trend. Now there are different ways we can customize these sparklines. Let me show you some of them. First of all, you can change the width of this particular column so that you can customize the view. So secondly, once you select this entire range, then you will be getting multiple different options. You can see the sparkline option is available in the menu bar now. If you go there, you will be able to change the way it looks, right? The visual part of it. That's one. You can also click on this drop down to find out different other options, different color, different way of representation. Second thing is, you can see there are a couple of things here. Line is already selected. If you want a column chart, column trend, that also you can do. You can see that it plotted those columns here, and those also can be changed here. The sparkline color also can be chosen from this palette, and this marker colors are also there. So all those things, the high point, low point, you can change. You can see that some of the high points have been now marked as a different color. All those customization you can do. You can play with these all options. I'm just showing you some of the clues so that you can find out from there and you can play around with this data, because Sparkline is very good. It's very good at giving you a very quick and tiny representation of the data visualization, right? And you can start playing with that. You can click on the low point and you can check on the fast point. All those things, everything is there, and there are certain different options available here also. Another option is that win or loss. So in case of a positive value, it will show it as a win, and in case of a negative value, it will show you as a loss. So those can be also done. So maybe this can be useful in case you want to maintain a stat of any of the sports game where win-loss kind of thing. That also can be done. So this is a brief about Sparkline, and you can start using it. You can play with different controls, and hopefully this particular tip will be helpful for you. So this is all about Sparkline in a brief. If you want to learn more such MS Excel related tips, I have a free course available, and you can find those links in the description below. If you're interested, check those out. Also consider subscribing to my channel if you want to watch similar content in future. Thank you for your time. Bye bye for now.